So I've got a really unique Rolex President Datejust that I'd love to talk about today, and there are a couple of things that make this one unique. Not only is it a Tridor, as indicated by those links that you'll find on the presidential bracelet, and the tri comes from the three different precious metals. Of course, this is going to be a white gold case as well as the bracelet and the clasp. What we're going to find though on these center links is you'll notice it's a little difficult to tell through my camera phone here, but these are actually going to have three different types of metals on it. You'll notice that strip of white gold down the middle, and then on the outside of the white gold is going to be yellow gold, and on the far outside is actually going to be rose gold. So it is going to be a combination of all three on the bracelet, but the bezel itself is going to be an 18 karat yellow gold, but the dial is what's really striking. So this is technically a mother of pearl dial, but not only is it a mother of pearl dial, but it's also a jubilee dial where you can notice the Rolex insignia inscribed on the back. Come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com. The stock number is 32178.